It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, August 11th. I'm James Spann. A nice surge of dry air dropping in here tonight. Check it out, water vapor satellite view. Trough over the eastern U.S. pushing a front. We don't call them cold fronts, but a front through here. And that's going to set up some really nice weather tomorrow and Thursday. The heat ridge well to the west where it's pretty hot. Notice Houston today at 104. That's no heat index. That's the actual air temperature. That was a radar at 242. You can see the big storms along near U.S. Highway 80. Demopolis, Selma, Montgomery, Auburn, Opelika. We do note a few stray showers over northeast Alabama. Those will probably be gone by the time you watch this as the dry air comes in and the dew points drop. Heat advisory still in effect for areas west of the state, but not here. We won't need them for a while. For the rest of today and tonight, a marginal severe weather risk for the southern half of the state in advance of the surface boundary. And tomorrow it is a dry day as dry air takes over. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through early Sunday morning, suggesting amounts of under 1/2 inch for North Alabama, a little heavier amounts to the south. And if you're beach-bound, hey, it's going to be fine. About 7 to 9 hours of sun each day. And, of course, from time to time, you'll have a passing storm. That's just the way it works this time of the year. And no worries with hurricanes or tropical storms. The Atlantic Basin stays very, very quiet. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the Global Forecast System, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. Nice eastern trough at blazing 597 heat bubble west of the state. And it should be a nice day, sunny and not as humid. The high will be close to 90, but the dew points will be dropping down in the 50s by afternoon. So it will be a comfortable kind of 90. And Thursday morning's going to feel good. We'll be in the middle 60s. Some of the cooler pockets could head down towards 60 early Thursday morning for a little touch of fall early in the day. And the day should be sunny with a high close to 89. And again, the dew points will stay low and the humidity stays low. Friday, I think it'll be a mostly dry day. We'll mention a small chance of a shower Friday afternoon, the high 90. What about the weekend? That old nasty heat is centered well to the west over the Four Corners. Little weakness here. And accordingly, we'll mention a chance of scattered, mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. The GFS printing a high of 89. I'd say the chance of any one spot getting a storm about 1 in 3. And maybe similar odds on Sunday, even though this run is a little drier Sunday. And again, the high would be close to 90 if this is right. Monday of next week looks pretty typical. And Tuesday, still got that weakness here over the deep south with the 594 heat well to the west. And that would suggest a chance of scattered showers and storms. And the GFS is printing a high of 88. And that's not bad for an August day. Here's the end of the forecast. This is the end of next week, Friday, August 21st. Still got that weakness here, and again, that would be pretty typical summer weather, partly sunny, maybe a storm in spots. Temperatures, I'd say, about where they should be. The ensemble numbers ramp us up in the mid-90s. We'll probably see low, maybe mid-90s for the next 15 days, and that's about average for this time of the year, although the anomalies here for the 19th through the 25th are showing above average temperatures, but if so, it probably will not be by very much. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.